that I got this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I was like, cold night, away from the campfire, a little bit of the smoke, but it's been raining, so you smell wet wood. Okay. Hi guys, how are you? My name is Cami. Welcome to this video. This is a Bath and Body Works haul. It's the time of year where I actually want to go out and buy things that actually help me get into the season a little bit more, and that's things that smell like cinnamon and pumpkin. I'm going to show you what I bought on both trips. I actually went right before Halloween, and I actually went again just because I wanted to get a couple more things that remind me more of Christmas. I got so many things that have proven to just be the right choice. So here I have 3 candles that I bought. Let's go ahead and start with this one. I actually have already been burning this one at night, and this one is called Black Tie. I think I actually talked about this in one of my last makeup tutorials that I did. I was saying that while I was filming, I was burning this candle. It is a black candle, so fitting for my house. My decor is mostly dark. Anyway, it smells amazing. Perfect. Black Tie says it's a scented candle, and these are the fragrance notes: green sage, sandalwood, tonka bean, and essential oils. It smells gorgeous. I actually prefer this one during the day. I like to use it while I'm working on my computer. So now we're going to do the bonus question for this, guys. Please remember, it's just for fun. It is not a requirement to enter the giveaway. If you have not entered the giveaway, go ahead and click the link down below, and it's going to tell you a little bit more about the giveaway if you're interested in entering. The bonus question for this video is, you guys, please tell me what your favorite fragrance is. And if you don't like fragrance, then say you don't like fragrance, and that is fine with me. I'm interested to know. It seems like I can't go in any bag that I have without finding new Wet n Wild makeup brushes. Love those. Okay, so hold on a second, guys. So this is Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. To me, it smells more like latte than pumpkin, which is good if you don't want something super sweet. Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte has the fragrance notes: pumpkin latte, toasted marshmallow, praline musk, and essential oils. If you don't like a very sweet smelling candle, but you still want something that says it's the holidays, I might not be baking cookies, but it smells like cookies in my house, or some sort of pastry, this might be the one you want to go for, because it also has that latte mix in it, so it doesn't smell like it's just a bakery item. At the end of the day, well spent working or doing anything that you need to do on your to-do list, and you got a good amount of it done, you lay your head on the pillow at night. It just smells like comfort. Just looking through this bag is bringing me so much joy. Can you tell? What in the world? Okay. Snowflakes and Citrus has fragrance notes that are frozen lemon peel, fresh squeezed mandarin, winter white mango, and with essential oils. So this is just, I knew it smelled like food a little bit, like a fruit. Oh my gosh. Okay, so if I were having brunch with all of my friends, and we were gonna have French toast and talk about lipstick and what else was on television or whatever, I would burn this. So that is Snowflakes and Citrus. These 2 are the ones that I'll be burning during the day, and Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte is the candle that I would choose to burn at night. Okay, so the most important thing for me when I recently went out of town was to make sure that I had shower gel and soaps that I felt comfortable using. Even staying at the best quality hotels, sometimes I'm just a little bit cautious of using different soaps that I'm not used to on my body. So I went to Bath and Body Works, and you guys, they have this line of products called Snowflakes and Cashmere. You've got to get everything they have, Snowflakes and Cashmere. This smells so good. Shea butter and vitamin E body lotion. I had to get the body lotion. Then I had to get the shower gel, which you can tell I've used and I love it. This also says shea and vitamin E. Okay, so if it had to look a certain way, I'd say it looks like pristine snowflakes. If it had to smell a certain way, it smells like sugar cookies. And if it had to feel a certain way, I'd say cashmere, but a little bit more than cashmere, I think I like velvet. So I'd say it feels like velvet. That's snowflakes and cashmere for you guys. Please, Bath & Body Works, don't ever discontinue that smell. The car air freshener visor clip, I got it in black, of course. You can put this on the visor, and then it also says it can be for the closet or any small space. All you have to do is add a fragrance disc. So I ended up getting, I totally forgot about this. I'm so excited to put this in my car. Finally, it's been waiting for me. This is what I got, and this is called pumpkin pecan waffles. What? My car is gonna smell like pumpkin pecan waffles. Like, I cannot believe I didn't film this and show this to you guys earlier. Like, what is going on? And this is called Endless Weekend. My car is gonna smell amazing. I also got this aromatherapy stress relief lotion. I'm interested in using this at the end of like a long work day, after I get in the shower or after I get in the bath, just to like wind down and have like a cup of hot cocoa. I've never used it. Let's smell. It says eucalyptus and spearmint with natural essential oils. Oh. Okay. It definitely smells like eucalyptus, which I really appreciate the naturalness of it. That is gonna instantly make you feel more grounded. These are the Shea infused socks. It says the Cozies by Bath & Body Works. Hello, I'm Hugo. I like hogging the covers. That's what it says right here. How cute is he? Okay, so Hugo doesn't quite look like a oh, I thought they were turning this groundhog into a reindeer and putting like snowflake antlers on him. I had a whole thing going on in my mind. That's not what's happening here, but how cute is it? And then it's got like the non-skid stick things at the bottom. That's actually good for going down my stairs. My stairs can be a tiny bit slippery sometimes. So I'm gonna be wearing these at night around the house. I'm so excited. I also like hogging the covers. You're not alone, Hugo. So the shout out for this video, you guys, is coming from Alba P. Alba P says, I'm going to Paris. I'm so excited to go shopping and see the Eiffel Tower. Also, I loved your Target items. Oh, that's really exciting. I've never been to Paris. I hope you have an amazing time. Thank you so much for watching my Target haul. You guys, if you haven't seen my Target haul, I'll also link that in the description box down below. I got some really cool things that, you know, just help me get ready for the season, kind of like all my Bath & Body Works finds did. So I got so many wonderful things from Bath & Body Works. If you guys have shopped at Bath & Body Works lately, let me know what you got. Just write it in the comments down below. I'd be so interested because I'm definitely probably gonna go back before Christmas. And you know what? I just want to say, if no one has told you today, you are enough. You are enough as you are, growing at the pace that you are growing. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and see me in my next video. Okay, bye.